Hello there. So how to fix threat service stop for your Windows Defender. On your Windows PC right there, on the Windows key, type in the one that says Registry Editor. So let me just click on this one and I'll see you once inside. So by default, let me just go back on how it should look like so I can take you step by step. Under here, there will be 5, I think, folders. Looking for HK local machine, expand that one. And here looking for Microsoft, like so. Under Microsoft, you should be looking for the one that says Defender, all the way down for Windows Defender. Now, once you're in here, right click, click on New, look for the one that says 32-bit if you're running for 32-bit, as well as 64 if you're running for 64-bit. Now, if I click on the word here for 32-bit, it will show up a new folder. Now, once you have a new folder, name it like this. Follow the uppercase, D, A, and S should be an uppercase. Then once you click on this one, double click and change the value like so from 1 to 0. Alright? That's going to be easy as that.